Shine On 1 by Susan Banman Salesi and Patrick Jackson. Published and copyright Oxford University Press 2016.
Good morning, kids. Welcome to new unit, Unit 6. This unit is about animals. Please look at these pictures and repeat after me. Snake, snake. Giraffe, giraffe. Zebra, zebra. Monkey, monkey. Lion, lion. Hippo, hippo. Please open your book, Unit 6, Animals, Lesson 1. Please let's do exercise 1. Listen and point. Say, now listen to the radio.
Shine On 1 by Susan Banman Salesi and Patrick Jackson. Published and copyright Oxford University Press 2016. CD 2. Listening 1. Listen and point. Say,
monkey, lion, zebra, snake, giraffe, hippo, lion, giraffe, monkey, hippo, snake, zebra.
Let's move to number 2. Stick. Please go and stick stickers. Once you finish, listen to the radio. Chant. Goodbye for now. See you next week.
Listening 2. Chant.